mission station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Catherine McLaurin. The ISS crew spent the week enabling long-term missions and long-distance learning. Expedition 53 flight engineer Paolo Nespoli completed an 11-day experiment to measure astronauts' energy requirements for long-term spaceflight. For 11 days, Paolo logged everything he ate and drank. Doctors will use that data to measure metabolic rates, urine content, and bone density to determine energy needs. Astronauts often lose body mass during long-duration missions, and we're still figuring out why. While increased exercises in microgravity can help combat this loss, knowing more about astronaut metabolism can provide valuable information to keep the crews properly nourished on long missions. The crew also prepared an experiment to give students their very own eye in the sky. Astronauts set up the Sally Ride Earth Cam for an upcoming week-long imaging session. Sally Ride Earth Cam allows thousands of school students to photograph and examine Earth from an astronaut's perspective. With the camera mounted, the students will use the internet to control it from the classroom. They'll photograph the Earth's coastlines, mountain ranges, and other geographic sites, which will then get posted on the internet for the public and participating classrooms around the world to view. This week's question comes from a student at Santa Monica High School in California. These students took part in a live ISS downlink with Expedition 53 Commander Randy Bresnick and flight engineer Joe Akaba, a former teacher, as a part of a year of education on station.
Hello, my name's Ananwak Tole. I'm in 10th grade, and my question for you is, how long would a fidget spinner spin in space?
The spinner, it's pretty gyroscopically stable, so it'll spin for a long time. And so the only thing that's acting on that right now is just the friction from the center portion on the actual part that's spinning. And so, it'll spin for a pretty darn long time. Technically, it should spin forever if there wasn't any friction on that center part.
And you can now connect with a year of education on station in a whole new way by following us on Pinterest at the link below. Keep sending us those questions, and we'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.